Are you facing problems of blank screen in Mobile Legends after you have logged in? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to give you some fixes that would work in order to save your screen to look like that and where you can play normally. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Mobile Legends game and make sure you log in from a different account to check if it's a device issue itself. So if you're suspended or bad, it might also show blank screen after logging. So if it's a different issue, this simply holds to your Mobile Legends application and head towards its app icon right here. And on the bottom right side, you should be seeing clear all data or clear cache. This is simply selected. And once you have selected clear cache, system will select OK, and that will work. If that still doesn't work, you can just simply reinstall your application itself. Just simply click this trash can icon, select OK, and install, or just simply update your application if you have missed any. And that's it. But that will simply work it out for you. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.